I've been experimenting with Mattercraft's new AI assistant, and one of the best use cases that I've found so far is super quick interactive behaviours. In this demo, I got an orb to spin, pulse and explode with fireworks when the user taps it, all within a few prompts. I added a standard sphere mesh, named it Orb, and then headed to Dribbble to find visual inspiration. I saved an image of a glowing orb design that I really liked. I dragged this straight into the chat in edit mode and asked the AI, give the orb a material that looks like this image. It created a material that was close enough, but then I changed the values so it looked more like a purple shiny bauble. Then I said, when a user taps the orb, make it pulse and spin. It generated an animation timeline with all the keyframes built in. I didn't need to touch a single line of code. Next, I asked which add-ons could help make my project more interesting. It suggested adding particles, and I can add them in straight from the chat, which makes it super easy. I asked it to trigger an explosion effect when the orb is tapped. It then added a particle emitter, wired it up to the interaction, and suddenly I had fireworks bursting out of the orb. And then I decided I wanted to learn a bit more about how the script actually worked. So I went into ask mode and said, tell me about the file that I currently have open. It gave me a clean side-by-side breakdown, so I could actually understand the logic, not just use it blindly. Then for each project, I could publish super easily. Just hit publish, set a version number, and you get a QR code to test instantly.